Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a closer look at the lens protector cover for the Meta Quest 3, brought to you by Fukaisu. If you're a VR enthusiast, you know how important it is to keep your headset safe, and this little accessory promises to do just that. Right out of the box, the lens protector measures around 17 by 9 by 4 centimeters, which is a snug fit for the Meta Quest 3. It's made from clear ABS plastic, giving it a hard, durable shell that can withstand minor impacts and scratches. The transparency ensures that your headset's camera functionality isn't compromised, so you can protect your gear without affecting performance. One of the standout features here is the advanced heat dissipation design. The cover has strategically placed ventilation holes that allow air to flow freely during extended gaming sessions. This helps prevent overheating, which not only maintains stable performance but also helps extend the lifespan of your VR headset's cameras. Installing this cover is simple and tool-free thanks to the snap-on design. You can attach or remove it in seconds, and it won't leave any residue or cause damage to your headset. It's designed specifically for the Meta Quest 3, but it's important to note that it's not officially affiliated with or endorsed by Meta. Overall, this lens protector cover is a practical accessory for anyone looking to add a layer of protection to their VR headset. It's lightweight, durable, easy to use, and thoughtfully designed to handle the heat generated during long gaming sessions. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in protecting your Meta Quest 3, this could be a small but smart investment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth looks at tech accessories. See you next time.